Complete Guide to Heating Element Control Panels. Part 1. Internusa Heater. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the heating element control panel, an essential device used for regulating temperature in various applications. Let's get started. In this video, we'll cover every function of this control panel in detail, including temperature, settings, operational modes, and maintenance tips. So, stay tuned until the end. Part 2. Introduction to the control panel. Here's a close-up of our control panel. You can see key components like the LCD display, navigation buttons, and the potentiometer. Let's take a closer look at each component. Part 3. Main functions of the control panel. First, the LCD display shows temperature readings and operational status. The up and down buttons are used to adjust the temperature, while the mode button lets you switch between different operational modes. Part 4. Temperature settings. To set the temperature, simply press the up button to increase the temperature and the down button to decrease it. The LCD display will show the temperature changes in real time, making it easy to set the precise temperature you need. Part 5. Operational modes. This control panel comes with several operational modes such as automatic, manual, and program modes. The automatic mode adjusts the temperature automatically based on preset parameters. Manual mode gives you full control, and program mode allows you to set temperatures for specific times. Part 6. Timer and scheduling. The timer feature is incredibly useful if you want the heating element to turn on or off at specific times. By setting the timer, you can save energy and manage temperatures more efficiently. Part 7. Alarm settings. You can also set alarms on this control panel for extreme temperatures or system failures. These alarms will alert you to take action if something goes wrong. Part 8. Calibrating the temperature sensor. To ensure accurate temperature readings, it's important to calibrate the temperature sensor regularly. This process ensures that the displayed temperature matches the actual temperature. Part 9. Troubleshooting errors. Sometimes, the control panel may display error messages. If you see messages like sensor error or overheat, don't panic. Usually, these issues can be resolved by checking connections or performing a system reset. Part 10. Connectivity. Modern control panels often come with connectivity features like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This allows you to control the heating element remotely using a smartphone app. Part 11. Maintenance of the control panel. To keep your control panel in good working condition, perform regular maintenance such as cleaning and checking connections. Ensure that the panel is not exposed to moisture and inspect the connections periodically. Part 12. Examples of everyday use. This control panel can be used in various applications, from home heating systems to laboratories and industrial settings. Let's take a look at how it's used in real-life scenarios. Part 13. Common mistakes and solutions. Here's some common mistakes you might encounter when using the control panel and their solutions. For example, if the heating element isn't turning on, check the temperature settings and ensure all connections are properly made. Part 14. Frequently asked questions FAQ. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about this control panel. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Part 15. Closing. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.
Cinta datang tak terduga, cinta pergi begitu saja, bagai laut tak ber